apart from that, few moms the word ako, mommy. Mag-game naman tayo ngayon para exciting. Oh.
Okay,
Oo,
okay.
nako, magkakaroon tayo ng game, mga
Mga
bagets,
kids,
mga
mga
bagets.
bagets.
Okay, meron kayong, yan, paper and ano, tapos, you will have to give us one word kung ano man ang aming question. Okay?
You know, that the first
Crispy,
word,
crispy.
Yes.
the first word that enters into your mind
Correct.
after the question, go. That's
Yun
your
lang. Wala nang ano. Kung ano yung whoop. O, yun na yun. Okay. So, okay. Get ready.
Mga bulleted answers ha, bulleted.
Kailangan.
Pwede kopyahan.
Wag mo ko kopya. Bulleted answers yan. Sure.
Okay. So, our first question. What's the most memorable or valuable gift you received?
Memorable and
From
valuable.
boyfriend or from past
Oo,
relationship?
oo. Pinaka-memorable and
basta
valuable.
This is
Whatever
all
is
about,
that.
This is all about relationships, ha? Whether it's past or present. or
From your
future.
ex or current.
Diba? Ang dami na naman natin nasabi. Ang daldal talaga natin, mami.
Oo. Sarap isil yung mga bibig ng mga
Okay,
moms.
game.
Go.
Okay, show your answers.
So you're...
Flowers. So flowers. How about you?
Soft?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay. So why flowers? Memorable and valuable.
Kasi yung sa akin, yung flowers, it was out of the blue actually. Parang ano lang, I didn't expect that he was gonna give it to me. Kasi we went out. Tapos bigla na lang na parang, I was like, oh my gosh, I love this, like that. Meron ako nagustuhan na flower or something. Tapos after siguro mga 5 minutes, he came back. Tapos he had like a bouquet of roses.
Akala ko pinitas lang, kaya memorable. Okay.
No!
Bouquet of flowers.
So surprise talaga.
Siguro naman, it's the manner how we gave it.
Sweet yung pagkabigay niya sa akin.
Kasi unexpected.
Okay. Yeah, that's my song.
Um,
Ginawa ka ng songs?
Oh, that's so sweet.
Sweet talaga yan, ah.
and it's,
What's the title?
the title is My Love.
Siya na rin naglagay ng kwan,
Ng
company, melody na rin.
Yan ba yung My Love There? So,
Hindi yan! Original niya!
Etchos! Choy naman.
next
Oh.
question.
Okay, next question.
Hindi lang kinakanta mo yan? Pagawan mo ng MTV kay Kwan direct.
Memorable sa kanya
Oo,
dahil
memorable
ano siya,
eh.
singer siya.
Kaya
Okay.
gawan mo ng Kwan yan, MTV.
Ang dami na naman natin nasabi. Game, next question.
May suggestion na
Oh,
ng MTV.
do you kiss on the first date? Yes or no?
Ay, naku, ang aking dibdib, kumakabog.
Yung totoo.
Totoo ah.
Okay, go.
No. Eh, hindi ka kasi di ba nag-trip? Yes.
Yes. Okay, wait. Oh, sige, ito muna tayo sa no.
Ako no, I don't kiss on a first date. Kasi
Kasi
syempre
ka nag-trip.
Kasi nadapa ka daw.
Hindi,
Naloko
hindi.
ka.
After trip naman, he still wanted me.
Basta no.
No, I don't kiss on
Girl, conservative pa rin. Kahit pa paano, girl,
Just
ano
kasi,
siya.
What if yung guy likes to di ba sometimes at the end
I've
of
tried
every
that.
date, you parang,
Oh, he
tapos
tried
he
to
will
kiss
send you home na tapos, okay, good night. Beso?
Parang chicks lang.
There was one time na parang, no, beso, I don't mind beso. Pero there was one time na parang, we went out, tapos I got out of the store, tapos gaganon siya, tapos I was like, okay, stop there.
Okay. Yes. Lalaki to eh. Bakit? First date? Talaga? Yes, agad?
First score.
Ha?
First score. First score. Naka-score nga naman.
Ay, pero ang tanong,
Tuloy.
may girl na ba na nung nag-ano ka, nung nag-attempt kang i-kiss siyang ganyan, eh parang, ay ka lang. O parang ganun.
Nag-hold
Wait.
back.
Meron na rin, ma'am.
O ano ginawa mo?
Okay lang.
Ay, kaya ako.
Hindi, parang iniisip ko, parang ay ka na, kunyari ko pa.
Ano ginawa mo? Anong umayaw siya? Parang
Binalikan ko na lang
awkward
yung
naman.
Yung kamay?
Ano no?
Yung kamay na lang.
Lola? Saan mo gusto?
Ito kahit ano, okay lang. Sige, kamay na lang.
Sige, kamay na lang.
Okay, next.
Nung siyempre yung girl, sweetie, you know, kamay. Pero pag ako yung girl, hello, sabi ng arcade ako yung pang.
Yes. Ano ka ba? Di ba ganun yung mga princess? Anyway, oh.
Ano nga?
Ano ang first, like, yung nakaka-attract sa inyo physically on the first, meeting? When you see
What easily attracts you most
Yes,
sa first
easily
meeting?
attract you most.
Physical. Kasi yun naman una makikita, visual. Pero pag ngongo, patay. Sayang.
Nyem, si Nyem.
Sige. Guwapo.
Okay.
Nadala si...
What's your answer? Eyes and smile. So, eyes. Why eyes?
Ako Sheila ay.
Bakit hindi ano?
Sheila, tantalizing ay.
Bakit hindi ano? O sige, eyes.
Kasi parang yung future ko na nakikita ko sa mata mo. Parang diretso na yun.
Napakalalim naman nun. Sigurado ka hindi ang ano ang tinitigan mo.
kasi mami ako.
Ano, hindi yun ang tinitigan mo.
Si Kenneth eh. Si Kenneth
Ano
sa
ka?
more on upper ka, no? Kasi ina-expect ko sa mga lalaki, butt eh. Mga mas sa lower legs, butt. Pero siya,
Siguro mami yung sinasabi mo
Ah.
na dalawa na lang.
Okay. Parang ganito. Siguro si Kenneth. Ganyan muna.
hindi tama siya na.
Paano pa ba?
Siyempre mami kung
Baka natuloy! Sabi ko na nga.
Ano sabi mo kung?
Baka,
Kung ka-chapteran naman ng ano.
Kasi
Sige.
kung una naman hindi tayo. Alam mo na. Tapos titingin ka sa taas parang
diba? Hindi may kasabihan dyan, tayo sis the window. Parang mo nagtugma yung mata nila. Mata sa mata nga eh, di ba? Ay, okay. Maniwala ako dyan. Eh, paano ka naka-contact lens? Ah,
Okay,
sinungaling.
next. Si Ania. What's your
Ania?
answer? Smile. Why smile?
What is in a smile?
Ako, when a guy has a really sexy smile, I get easily attracted.
Killers.
correct.
Yes. Kaya pala si ano,
Sino?
cute kumite. Basta si ano.
Si Ding Dong. Ay,
Ay,
sino?
hindi si Kwan niya.
ito.
Basta, kilala ko eh. Cute kitino. Kaya pala.
Alam
Si
ko inisip
ano?
ko.
Si ano? Si ngayon.
Nakakaano kasi talaga ang ay, sorry. Nakatagal. Nakakaano kasi talaga ang smile ng guys. Kasi remember, delete Rico yan. Oh. Bakit? Oh, ano ngayon? Oh. Di ba, delete Rico yan?
Jude yun.
Oo, di ba ang gaganda ng ipin nila? Lalo na pag ang ganda ng ipin.
Huwag na yelo ah. Smile. Smile. Yelo. Huwag na. Next.
Okay, next. Have you ever two-timed a relationship? Tama ba yung tanong ko?
Oo.
Have you ever tried two-timing or
Naging
like that?
two-timer ka ba sa isang
Oo.
relationship?
Yes or
Yes
no?
or no?
mabait ako.
Talaga? Si Kego.
Okay, huwag na tayo magtanong.
Hindi nakaka-intriga yung mga nanonood.
Talaga may
Walang ma-intriga tayo
Sige.
sa kanila. Do you agree?
Yes,
do
do
you
you
agree
agree?
to an open relationship? Yes or no? Wala silang nag-change.
Here.
Okay.
Talagang yes to no.
No!
No.
Nagsusumigaw na no, mga nakakaloka.
May statement siya talaga.
No,
Ito
bakit?
no, pero walang period. So, ibig sabihin, pwede pa yan.
Okay. Yes. No,
No.
kasi super no, right? For girls.
And especially for me, I'm not open to the fact na parang you're dating someone else while you're dating me. Yes.
Yes.
Oo naman.
oo.
Sampal naman sa'yo. Si Kenneth.
Okay,
na.
sige.
Kenneth,
No.
No.
No ma'am. Kasi di ba yung tinanong nyo kanina two time, parang ganun din.
Yeah, kasi it happened to you na parang,
Natutaan siya.
oo. Pero what I'm trying to say kanina, mami, is yun nga, may mga girls or may mga ganon. Diba? Like yun nga, yung sa Gossip Girl, parang like na like niya yung guy. Tapos, so parang pumapayag siya na, sige, it's okay for you to date others. Pero nasasaktan siya.
Hindi open yun.
Martir na tawag
Oo.
ko. Okay.
Go.
What do you prefer? Beauty or brains? So, yan. What's your answer?
Handsome.
Yes. Why?
Yeah, I prefer a guy who's handsome because, yun nga, parang ako kasi, I believe na everyone's smart. Everyone's gifted with intelligence. That's something you don't have to ask for. It's just a matter of choice on how you use it. At saka sa akin, it's in the personality of a man. Siyempre, pag may face value, parang, siyempre you get attracted. Yung brains, I know everyone has that naman eh. Ano lang, konting push lang.
Beauty sa akin, kasi lahat naman ng tao gifted ng intelligence. Tsaka, siguro, plus point na lang yun kung talagang yung tao ay intelligent.
It's their choice. You cannot practice the person, but you cannot change the face. Okay. Next, please.
Oh, yes.
Okay, nice answer.
Age you plan to get married?
Age.
Ay! Okay.
Okay, go. 23 to 25, 30? How old are you, Anaya?
I'm 19.
Okay. Nakakahinga pa, mami. Okay, that's an ideal, actually.
Yeah,
30.
30 for a guy?
Kasi
Okay.
I'm now 21 years old.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Kasi I want to enjoy my
More or less by the time
My-
successful.
You want to get settled na by
23.
25.
Depende sa age ka. Malay mo, makatuloy naman yung 30. Makatuloy yung 20. Okay din. Diba? Depende sa age.
Oh, Mami,
Oh,
next question.
Sa current relationship nyo ngayon, di ba? You have your current girlfriend or boyfriend. Sa last question, sagutin nyo. Is this for serious or for fun? Yung relationship nyo, dalawa lang tawag dito, fling pa rin ba ito para sa inyo or serious na?
Sa akin, serious.
Hindi na sasagutin niya. Okay, sa'yo serious na. Okay. Para sa'yo, serious na yun. Like, how do you level up the seriousness of the relationship?
Kasi I guess I'm more mature.
Nasa age bracket, nasa age level ka na talagang siniseryoso.
I feel like I'm at the right age to say, I'm in love.
Aww. Ako, nervous yung talaga mami mo dito. Kaya hindi ka.
Ako, mami,
Sa current mo ngayon.
Siyempre serious. Kasi pag fling, natutunan ka sa fling, parang makikipag-fling ka nga, but you're wasting time.
Tama! Nahit mo yung target doon. You're wasting time sa fling. Okay. Siguro at this point in time, would you like to give a message to young people like you
Yes.
entering into a relationship? What have you learned from
Whatever.
all these sharings that we have had today?
Sa akin, simple lang. Dapat lang tandaan na yung dapat may pagmamahal, syempre pagkakaintindihan, tsaka trust, and of course yung pangako.
To Ania.
My message to young women and young men out there. When you fall in love, when you give it your all, remember to leave some for yourself. Kasi sometimes, hindi mo alam you'll get hurt again. And you should learn to trust more yung sa partner. I think that's the mistake na naging mistake ko talaga in my relationship. I doubt too much. Dapat there should be that certain communication with both of you in order for you to have that trust within each other.
If you want your relationship to
Ganda.
work, tama yan eh. Nakatama hindi, parang I think she made the right statement na you don't give your all, even sa mga lalaki.
Totoo yan.
Maglagay kahit pa paano, maski sa atin na mag-asawa o may asawa, huwag mong ibigay lahat, mag-iwan ka pa rin kahit konting
Yes.
percentage
For
para
yourself.
sa sarili mo.
Correct.
Dahil kapag naghiwalay na kayo, pwede mo sabihin, dignified pa rin ako.
Oo.
Kaya, tsaka in the end, hindi nyo pwedeng sabihin, young or old relationship. We learn, from us na old na, we learn from the relationship of these young people. And of course, they expect that being young, they learn from us. So, nagko-compliment. Both and young, we learn from each other. Don't say na kayo lang at kami lang ang may karapatan. Kaya minsan wala tayong karapatang magalit din sa kanila. Intindihin mo na lang. Diba? Kasi minsan tayong mga old, nagkakamali rin sa discard.
At nagdaan din tayo doon,
Dumaan
Mami.
tayo
Yun
dyan.
lang yun.
Dumaan
Okay.
tayo. And yun, I mean, that's so much. Parang, it's a nice message to end this whole discussion and all that.
Oo.
From the high to the, parang roller coaster ride itong pinagdaanan natin. And we learn so much from you guys.
At saka kung mami, dapat talagang be sure na mahal mo talaga siya. Hindi yung talagang pasikot-sikot ka pa
Oo,
naman.
parang you're just like wasting your time. I really like what Ania said.
Oo.
Alam mo yung parang in a relationship, very important yung trust. Yung parang hindi ka dapat super nagda-doubt. Actually,
Oo.
whatever, like, kunwari may situation kayo, hindi ka dapat jump into conclusion na, ay siguro ganyan, whatever. Dapat yung parang may benefit of the doubt ka lagi sa partner mo, kahit sa mga asawa. Alam mo yun, yung parang dapat, kung merong nangyari, hindi ka muna agad,
Oo.
conclude na parang, baka naman nga ganito. Saka kayo mag-uusap.
Tsaka alam niyo, ang bottom line ng lahat ng ito is that you love and give your partner. And with that,
Yes.
we say thank you so much to
Yes.
Ania and Kenneth. And would you like to greet some,
Thank you
for your
guesting.
presence today.
Thank you.
Talaga.
May limited edition
Mga
ng
moms
ng Moms the Word.
Limited edition yan.
Yes. So, meron kayong gusto i-greet or promote or whatever, vlogging. Yan. Go ahead.
Ako, first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you for yes,
dapat kami mag-thank you. Oo naman. Oh, yes.
Guys, I'd like to promote Funeraria Sunson.
I'd
If
like-
you can take care of yourself, remember Funeraria Sunson will take care of you.
Yes, definitely.
Wow, yun eh. Yes.
Nice,
Oh, what are your friends? Or do you have like other,
And my friends, my student council family, Mark, Jeff, Divina, Jervin, Jaber, hi guys.
Mommy!
And my mom! My mom's here.
Brothers and sister.
Yes.
Your brother and sister.
Hi.
Pakita naman natin ang sexing mommy ni Ania dyan.
Ay, natin,
Oo.
show off.
Ayan! O, di ba? Ang bagong host ng press corps.
May kapalit na
Joke lang.
Kenneth.
Yes, of course, I would like to thank Sir George Aguinir for my photos, for my portfolios, and yung studio na parang hindi pa siya talagang buo, pero yung pangalan ng studio na is Afterglow Avenue. First, thank you to Dr. Joy Lazaro. And syempre, Fantastic. And
Yeah.
Wake Up Ilocos, please watch. And syempre, Mami, thank you for guesting me.
Anak ka namin.
Super thank you. I love you too. Super thank you. Dahil pinagbigyan niyo kami.
Ay, of course, hello pala kay na Mami and Daddy. And of course, to my sister.
Ang special someone.
Miss mo siya sa
Meron ba?
Kahit na, agree ko pa rin. Sige na.
Talaga gano'n, she's not watching.
Taray mo talaga. Taray mo ba?
Hello.
Baka may gusto kang
I love
Uy,
you.
booking! Ano, babe?
nanonood si Doktora De Vera.
Oh,
bilang moms
to the family na lang.
Kasi na shy pa eh.
Oh, di ba? Lagi
Okay.
nanonood sa atin si Doktora.
And our sponsor, Sheila.
Yes, we would like to say thank you to Nole Morales Salon, located at the second floor landmark building, Jose Simson Street, Vigan City. Maraming salamat. Friendship, Nole, kahit hagad na sila
Hagad,
kanina.
sobra.
Oh, in fairness.
Si Menchi tsaka si Barbie, grabe sa lahat ng staff. And mga accessories ko, thank you Sheila. Sa kanyang closet. Wala kaming, okay, but of course, we have to thank pa rin si Zanet sa Trends and Trends.
Yes, thank you so much, Ma'am
Sa mga
Zanet,
buildings.
for the accessories. And oo, ito.
Cecil Javier.
Yes,
ikaw,
thank you, Cecil. Thank you so much. I'd like to say thank you to Bella Luna Boutique for my chandelier. BellaLuna.multiply.com. Maraming accessories dyan. Ang ganda set. Talagang affordable from the US. And what pa? We would like to say thank you to Marinella. Sweet and spicy for our merienda. Yeah, snack. Thank you so much for the food. And what else? Oo, meron tayong guest. Alam mo, marami tayong guest ngayon, Mami.
Sobra, ang daming guests ngayon, hindi nyo lang nakita nagtago. Si Mami Jong.
Mami Jong.
JJ's.
Yes, sila Nadine, sila Gia, sila Thea.
Siya magdadala ng snacks later.
Tsaka si Baby Yu.
Si Baby Yuna,
Tulog.
Here. Yes, sleeping. Oo nga, ang ingay-ingay ko. Oh,
Si
and
staff, Seth, Karen.
Yes, everybody.
Cameraman, si Sir Ruel, sa lahat, staff ng Ma'am Dole.
to my family, hello. Carlo, Mommy Eva, Daddy Ferdy, Janina, Uno, hi, Ate, Weng, everybody, Karen Bernie dyan, at Adan. Oh.
Okay, my family also, alam na nila yon. Rudy, Paynorin, and to my pamangkin Christian, hello, tsaka sa mga friends, mga family members, cousins, relatives, brothers, sisters, hi to God.
Correct. Wait lang, nakalimutan ako nanay ko.
Na.
Nanay ko na naman. Nakalimutan ko naman na nanay ko. Hello, Mommy. Mama ko, hello. At sa mga taga Santa Catalina. hello.
Okay.
Visit Las Mahitas, wala lang.
Okay,
go.
dyan nagtatapos ang isang napakagandang episode ng nag-isang talk show ng mga mami.
Pati na rin ng mga daddies at ng buong pamilya. This is Moms to Word! Bye!